Hey YouTube, this is Donnie James, and this is my Hoffman Ionic IL BMX bike. Here at the front, I have stock bars and forks, Hoffman Ionic IL. I have a Blitz stem. Take you back over here. I have an Odyssey M2 brake lever with brake cables going all the way down. I have a Snafu Astroglide gyro. I have one orange ODI long neck grip, and I have a Hoffman Bikes mushroom grip. Down here I have an Odyssey P light onto an Alienation plain black rim, but it's blue, onto a Blitz front hub. Moving down on the bike, I have a Blitz cranks. I have some Wogo pedals, crappy, I hate them. I have Hoffman Dinky sprocket and just a regular KMC chain. I have the Hoffman Bikes Black Ops seat. I have Maxxis grifter onto another plain black rim onto a Blitz hub, and just some stock brakes, and that's pretty much my bike check. And here's what my back hub sounds like. And that's all.